Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? Today we will learn how to say in which season we visit the different countries. So I want you to listen to the song first and then we can start. As you can see, I put the countries in three different columns, and that's because, as you know from previous lesson, the names of the countries are masculine, feminine, and plural, and we are using always different preposition before the name of these countries. So we use au, for masculine countries, and we use en for feminine countries, and we use o again, but with an x at the end, o for plural countries. So, for example, I can say, je vais au Canada. It means I go to Canada. As you can see for the cities, we are only using the preposition a. It's an a with an accent over it. It's called a. So I can say, je vais à Paris, or je vais à Londres, means I go to London, or je vais à Dubai, because these are cities.
En France. En Angleterre. En Espagne. En Italie. Au Canada. Au Portugal. Au Maroc. Aux États-Unis.
Can you choose the right preposition with the different countries and cities as well? So I want you to look carefully at the names of the cities and countries to find out if the name of the country is masculine, feminine, or plural in order to find the right preposition to put it before it. Can you choose the right preposition with the different countries and cities as well? So I want you to look carefully at the names of the cities and countries to find out if the name of the country is masculine, feminine, or plural in order to find the right preposition to put it before it.
Je vais. Je vais en France. Je vais à Paris. Je vais en Angleterre. Je vais à Londres. Je vais en Espagne. Je vais au Japon. Je vais au Brésil. Je vais aux États-Unis. Je vais à New York.
The names of the seasons in French are l'hiver, that's winter, l'été, that's summer, le printemps, that's spring, and l'automne, and this is for autumn. Of course, when I say in summer, in winter, I need to change L apostrophe or le with the right preposition, which is going to be en, for all of them except le printemps. I'm going to use au printemps. So for all the seasons, if I want to say in summer, in winter, in autumn, I'm going to use en before the name of the season. I will say en été, in summer, en hiver, in winter, en automne, in autumn. But when I speak about spring, I will not say en, I will say au, au printemps. That's the only exception. Où vas-tu en hiver? Where do you go in winter? To answer, you say en hiver, in winter, en hiver, je vais en France. In winter, I go to France. En hiver, je vais en France. Can you answer the following questions for me? It's the challenge time now. So you have to choose your crown, of course. If you choose to do the blue crown, you will have to fill in the gaps with the right preposition. So you have three choices for the countries, three different prepositions for the countries that we took before: en, or or o with x. And only one choice for the cities, which is a with an accent. If you choose to do the white crown, in this case, you will have to make simple sentences using the verb that we learned today, which is je vais. Je vais means I go. And then you can choose any country that you wish. If you do the red crown, it's going to be a bit more challenging because sometimes the missing word, it could be a season, sometimes it is a preposition, and maybe sometimes it's the name of the country or the city which is missing. So good luck. Au revoir.